Hey y'all, what's up? My name is Sonali. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and if you are, definitely hit that subscribe button because there will be much more iPhone 12 Pro Max content to come. And if you guys are already subscribed and don't have your post notifications on, go ahead and click that bell so you guys can get notified every time I post a video. Today we are doing the iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing. I have it right here. It literally just got delivered to my apartment and I am itching to just unwrap this. Today we're gonna go over the specs that really stood out to me when I was trying to choose between the Pro Max and just the 12 Pro. I actually have an XS Max right now, so we'll also be comparing the 12 Pro Max to my XS Max because I know a lot of people get every other iPhone just because there's not too many differences between every iPhone. So I'm really excited to be doing this unboxing. I have been waiting for the new iPhone for so long. I was so upset when the first Apple event came out. I was like waiting till that last moment for them to be like, okay, and our new iPhone is here. And then, you know, the guy was just like, okay, peace out, bye, see you next time. And I was like, what the heck? Like, I need a new phone. My current phone had water damage like a couple of months ago. It did survive it, but it glitches every now and then. And it also is cracked on the front. So I'm just excited to have a not cracked phone. So let's get into it. Let's unbox this thing. I just set up my iPhone and I'm honestly really impressed with how fast the process was because I remember you would have to call your carrier and like set up the SIM card or like do a little SIM card exchange, but I didn't have to do anything but scan a different QR code from my old phone or like vice versa. I think it was like the QR code was on the new phone and I scanned it with my old phone. I can't really remember, but anyways, it was such a fast process. Before we get into comparing the 12 Pro Max to the XS Max, I did buy some accessories that I wanted to open up. Unfortunately, one of the accessories that I purchased is still on its way, which is kind of crazy because it is like the MagSafe magnet charger thing, and I feel like that was the new big thing. So I kind of am sad that I don't have it here to unbox and like don't have it the day that I have my iPhone, if that makes sense. I feel like everything this year was a little bit wonky, especially with all of the COVID stuff. The first accessory I picked up was this white silicone phone case, and I usually never buy Apple phone cases because they're so expensive for no dang reason. You can find so many cheaper options on Amazon, but this one is MagSafe compatible. And if you guys didn't know what MagSafe is, imagine a wireless charger just being like magnetic on the back of your phone. Whoa, that was cool. Okay, so it actually can tell that you're putting a MagSafe accessory on your phone. They actually have like MagSafe wallets, MagSafe, I don't know what the other accessories are, but you can definitely look them up. So I just went ahead and bought the Apple one because I know it's going to take a while for third-party vendors to make MagSafe iPhone cases. The next accessory I got is the USB-C power adapter. If you didn't know, now you know that the new power charger that comes with the new iPhone does not have a USB end. It has a USB-C end. And it also does not come with the brick, so you have to order this separately. So if you don't have any of the newer products with that USB-C cord, you probably won't have the USB-C cube. So this is really important to get when you're ordering your new iPhone. Now what you've all probably been waiting for, let's get into the comparisons. First, let's take a look at their appearances. So these two look like totally different iPhones. The colors are both gold, but as you can see, they're very different versions of gold. The new iPhone 12 Pro Max is more of like a white back, and then the XS Max would be considered a rose gold to me. I remember getting this iPhone and being like, this is not gold, this is like pink. So I don't know, I didn't really love this. I definitely prefer the new iPhone 12 Pro Max coloring because it has like a really cool brass gold on the sides, and then it has that white gold backing. When the rumors came out about the new iPhone, I was so excited that they said it would have the straight edges because I remember the iPhone 5 having this and I loved the look and the feel of it. I feel like you can just hold it way better, you can grip onto it way better. Something about the straight edges just really does it for me. Now let's talk about the size difference because this is the biggest iPhone ever. There is a very slight difference in the dimensions of the phone. The iPhone 12 Pro Max has a height of 6.33 inches, while the iPhone XS Max has a 6.2-inch height. The iPhone 12 Pro Max, as well as the new iPhone 12 Pro, has the fastest chip in a smartphone, which is the A14 Bionic chip, while this one right here only has the A12 Bionic chip. The 12 Pro Max has up to 20 hours of video playback, while the XS Max has only 15. One of the new big things that they were really excited about during the Apple event was the new ceramic shield front, which the new iPhone 12 Pro and the Max has, while this has a glass front and back, so this one's obviously going to be a lot easier to crack. Honestly, I'll probably still put a screen protector on the new phone because knowing me, I'll scratch this thing up in like a day. Both of the new phones are water resistant up to 6 meters for 30 minutes, while the XS Max is only water resistant to a depth of 2 meters for 30 minutes. Being a photographer, videographer, YouTuber, and influencer, every year during the Apple event, all I care about is the camera. So let's get into the camera specs. Both of these phones have a 12 megapixel back camera. The XS Max only has the wide and telephoto lens, and then the newer iPhone 12 Pro has the ultra wide, the wide, and the telephoto lens. So I'm really excited to finally have the iPhone with the ultra wide camera because I always use my boyfriend's and it's just so annoying to like airdrop them between phones. So finally I have it. This new phone will have night mode while the XS Max does not, and it also has the LiDAR scanner, which will help take better low light photos. It will also have the ability to take RAW photos. It's coming out later this year. It's called Apple Pro RAW. It's going to be really great. If you guys don't know what a RAW photo is, it basically allows you to manipulate the photo even more in post-production. There are a lot of similarities between the iPhone 12 Pro Max versus the iPhone 12 Pro, but the biggest difference is that the iPhone 12 Pro Max has the new sensor shift optical image stabilization versus the 12 Pro, which only has the dual optical image stabilization that the XS Max had. You guys are probably asking yourself, what the heck is the difference between this? And so the new sensor shift optical image stabilization applies the stabilization to the sensor, and it helps to precisely stabilize your footage and get those sharp photos, while the dual optical image stabilization applies the stabilization to the lens, making it work a little harder. So I guess it's just better for videos and photos. That's what I kind of got from it. I'm really excited to try this feature out, especially for videos because I do vlog, and I wonder if this would be good enough to vlog in public if I didn't want to take my clunky camera around to like Target or just around the city of Austin. I could probably use this phone and be good. The last spec that I'm featuring in today's video between these two phones is that the new iPhone 12 Pro Max has the Dolby Vision HDR video recording format. HDR, or high dynamic range, offers better color reproduction and greater lighting ranges than the standard dynamic range, making for more visually appealing content and just colorful content in general. So those are all the specs that I'll be discussing today between the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the XS Max. And I will be including a couple of test shots for videos and photos at the end of this video in case you guys are curious to see the difference between these two phones. But if you guys want me to do a whole other video just comparing these two cameras, I will definitely do that for you guys. Just leave me a comment down below letting me know that you are interested. The best view in Austin right behind us. We're testing out the XS Max and the 12 Pro Max, and the 12 Pro Max is blowing our freaking minds, especially that zoom. It is insane, and y'all will definitely see it in the pictures that I'm taking. but we wanted to do a video test, so this is me. Let's see which one's better. I already know the answer, so obviously the new 12 Pro Max is pretty dang good. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'm so excited to get to play around with this new iPhone. You guys have no idea how long it feels like I've waited for this. And leave me a comment down below if you guys are thinking about getting this one. Are you getting the 12 Pro? And let me know what color you guys are getting too. I'm curious. So I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!